our cleansing demonstration. Firstly, place a cotton pad on the side of your client's eye. This is to stop any products running down your client's face and giving them a shower. You can use a face towel if you prefer. Pump a decent amount of cleanser onto the lashes. Using your cleansing brush, gently brush the lashes, giving them a really good clean. If your client has extensions on, make sure you are brushing softly and downwards along the extensions. As you can see in this demo, my client has extensions on. Once you have given them a really good cleanse, using your squeeze bottle with water, wash away the cleanser. Always check that your client's eyes are not stinging. Have a few cotton pads close by. With a fresh cotton pad, remove all the excess cleanser and pat dry. As you can see, this side I have tilted my client's head just to show you this option as well. This is also to stop the cleanser going into their eye. It helps the cleanser to run down rather than soak into the corner of their eye. So now doing exactly the same as we did on the previous eye. As you can see, I'm brushing in a downward motion as she has extensions on. If my client had no extensions, it doesn't matter how you brush them as long as you give them a really good clean. Now using your fan, you want to dry your client's lashes. With your lash wand, brush the lashes. This helps separate them and straighten the lashes ready for the next step.